If you're looking for a quick and effective way to use Monday.com for competitive analysis, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to leverage Monday.com to track competitors, analyze their strategies, and streamline your insights. And stick around until the end, because I'll show you an alternative that might better serve your competitive analysis goals. First up, Monday.com is all about customization, so it's a great starting point for organizing competitive analysis. You can create a board specifically designed for tracking competitors. This board can house different groups such as direct competitors, indirect competitors, and market trends. With customizable columns, you can add key metrics like pricing, product offerings, marketing strategies, and even customer reviews. Next thing, you'll want to use Monday.com's timeline or Gantt views to track competitor activity over time. This is especially helpful for monitoring product launches, marketing campaigns, and even shifts in their customer service strategies. By visually seeing when your competitors are active, you can pinpoint gaps in the market that you might be able to exploit. The third thing, don't overlook automations. Monday.com allows you to set up automated notifications when a competitor updates their website, releases a new product, or engages in a major marketing push. While Monday.com has a lot of features for keeping track of data, automations help you stay ahead by alerting you to key moves from competitors so you can react quickly. Next thing, integrations. Monday.com has multiple integrations with tools like Google Sheets, Slack, and even social media platforms. This means you can pull in competitive data from external sources, giving you a broader view of how your competitors are performing outside the Monday.com ecosystem. For example, you could link your board to a social listening tool to automatically track competitor mentions on Twitter or LinkedIn. Now, let's talk about dashboards. Monday.com lets you create high-level dashboards that pull in all your competitive data in one place. This could include visualizations like bar charts or pie graphs, giving you a clear picture of how your competitors are performing across different areas. You can compare metrics like website traffic, product reviews, or social media engagement side by side, which helps you make better strategic decisions. But let's be real, Monday.com isn't the only tool out there for competitive analysis. While it's highly customizable, it can be a bit overwhelming if you're just getting started. And for those looking for a simpler, more streamlined approach, it might take a little extra time to get the setup right. Plus, its reporting features are solid, but not as in-depth as some specialized tools designed specifically for competitive analysis. So, here's the deal. Monday.com does work for competitive analysis, but if you're after something more focused and specific to this purpose, there are alternatives out there that might suit your needs better. Now, I mentioned I have an exclusive free trial for a software that might give you more tailored features for tracking your competitors. Through our link, you'll get access to this special offer along with additional benefits, but I've also listed some fantastic alternatives in the video description that come with free trials too. These alternatives specialize in competitive intelligence, offering real-time data, automated reporting, and insights that are specifically geared toward monitoring competitors at a deeper level. So, while Monday.com is an option, I strongly suggest checking out these tools to help achieve your competitive analysis goals more effectively. And don't forget, by using our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trials and special benefits that are only available to you as a viewer of this video. Go ahead, take action now,